Hey y'all, so I've got a 2009 Mercedes-Benz C350. I got this check front left parking lamp that turned on. I'm going to show you guys which one it is. So if we go front, looks like all these are working. Notice this top one, the difference between them. So we got this corner here that's not working. Looks like it's got two bulbs in there. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. I already took off part of it. So basically, you're going to have to take off this cover. There's two little snaps here. Pop out the middle part, and then you can get a screwdriver underneath this part, and the rest popped out like that. So pretty easy to get that off. Right, next thing you want to do, look under here, and let me see if I can get my light there. There's a little knob. See that little knob in there? What you want to do is turn that just a little bit. It should be pretty easy to turn. So get somebody with smaller hands. If you got big hands, you're probably not going to reach it, but what you want to do is grab that, flip it down, and that's the cap for the bulb. And I reached up in here. There it is. That's the cap. Okay, and next there's a couple wires sticking out. Just try to get in there a little bit, pull on the wires, and the bulb should come out. There we go. And replace that.